Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of home buying: life insurance. If you're an expat living here in Germany and are ready to own your dream home, there's something important you need to consider. Life insurance isn't just a policy, it's a safety net. It plays an essential role in protecting your investment and ensuring your loved ones are financially secure in case the unexpected occurs. Join us as we unpack the reasons why life insurance should be part of your home buying journey. You won't want to miss this essential information that you could safeguard your family's future while you enjoy a new home. Hi, my name is Ajay, and in this channel we're going to show you how to buy a house here in Germany. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of life insurance. You might be asking yourself, why should I care about this? Well, if you're an expat living in Germany, looking to buy a home, understanding life insurance could be one of the smartest decisions you will ever make. Life insurance isn't just about what happens after you're gone. It's about ensuring your loved ones have a financial cushion when they need it the most. With various types of policies available, let's break them down a bit and see how they can fit into your home buying journey. First off, we've got what's known as Risikolebensversicherung, or term insurance. Now, this type of insurance is like the straightforward buddy you want on your home buying path. Think of it as a financial life jacket. It covers you for a set term, hence term insurance, usually 10, 20 or even 30 years. If something happens to you during that time when you're still paying off that sweet new home, your beneficiaries will get a death benefit. It means your mortgage payments can be taken care of even when you're not physically around to handle them. It's a cost-effective choice too, making it popular among homeowners who want a peace of mind without breaking the bank. Now, let's not skip over the glitzy cousin in the insurance family, Kapitallebensversicherung, or endowment policy. If you're looking for a little bit more than just coverage, this might be your go-to option. It combines life insurance with a savings component. It's like getting a protection and an investment rolled into one. This means that not only will your family get a death benefit, but the policy would build cash value over time that you can tap into later. Imagine wanting to leave a legacy or just needing a financial safety net. This policy can help you achieve that while making sure your loved ones are looked after. So, why is it crucial to understand these different kinds of life insurances? Well, because they aren't just financial tools. They can drastically alter the way you approach homeownership. Picture this: you're sipping coffee in your dream kitchen and the thought strikes you about how your loved ones will manage if you're no longer there to support them financially. How reassuring would it be to know that a life insurance policy has got you covered? That's right, it's all about financial security. It's just a safety net. Some may believe they don't need it, but some do. In a country like Germany, where expats may first feel lost amidst the paperwork and regulations, understanding these policies can be a game changer. Knowing how much coverage you should aim for can help you make more informed decisions when discussing mortgage options. Plus, the understanding of these policies can guide you to choose the best plan that suits your lifestyle and your financial goals. In some, understanding life insurance isn't a nice to have, it's a must have. Whether you go for them straightforward or not doesn't really matter, but you need to understand on what you're doing or what you're not doing. Whether you're going for the straightforward approach of a term insurance or opt for a more complex endowment policy, it ultimately comes down to protecting what really matters: your family and your investment in your home. So dig in, do your research, and make life insurance a part of your home buying toolkit. You can check out the video on which insurances are needed while buying a house here in Germany here on YouTube. Let's talk about what makes Risikolebensversicherung, or term insurance, a worthy companion. If you're in the market for a new house, whether it's for personal reasons or an investment, you're likely thinking about the big picture. Owning a home isn't just a huge financial commitment, it's about creating a stable environment for you and your loved ones. But what happens if life throws a curveball? That's where term insurance steps onto the stage ready to save the day. First off, let's break it down what term insurance really means. It's pretty straightforward. The Risikolebensversicherung, you choose a specific term. This could be 10, 20, or 30 years. During this time, if something happens and the insured individual passes away, the beneficiaries receive a predetermined death benefit. 100, 200, 300k, that's up to you. You can think of it as a financial umbrella that shields your family during a raining storm. Sounds good, right? Now, why should you as a home buyer care about this? Well, when you take on a mortgage, you're making a long-term financial commitment. What happens if you're no longer around to keep up with those payments? The last thing you would want is for your family to lose that home you worked hard to acquire. With term insurance policy in place, you assure that your mortgage can be paid off regardless of unexpected circumstances. It brings a certain level of comfort, knowing your loved ones won't be burdened with financial strain. But, well, there is a cost associated with it. Term insurance is often seen as a budget-friendly compared to other insurance options, making it a popular choice for many homeowners. Because you're only paying for life coverage, without any additional investment component found in other policies like Kapitallebensversicherung, your premiums are typically lower. This means more money in your pocket right now, which you can channel into renovating that soon-to-be home of yours, or maybe upgrading that fancy kitchen you keep dreaming about. When choosing the right term length, be sure to think strategically. You should consider not only the duration of your mortgage, but also how long you expect to have dependent family members. This way, you can align the insurance policy to cover any financial responsibilities that may arise during those financial and critical years. One aspect that often goes overlooked is the conversion option. Some Risikolebensversicherung policies allow you to convert to a permanent life insurance policy later on, without needing a medical exam or asking additional medical questions. This feature is like an anchor, giving you the flexibility to adjust your coverage as your life circumstances change. So, if your family grows or if you decide to buy a second property, you could adapt your insurance to match your evolving situation. In summary, whether you're an expat or a local, a Risikolebensversicherung is more than just a piece of paper. It's a commitment to safeguarding your family's future. When you tie the knot with a mortgage, not with your wife or husband, tying your insurance to it is just essential. It's a win-win. You get peace of mind, your loved ones have financial security, and you can enjoy your new home without constantly glancing over your shoulder. So the next time you're pondering on your home purchase, don't forget to consider what lies beyond that initial sale, because planning for the unexpected is a form of wisdom. Alright, let's talk about Kapitallebensversicherung, or it's commonly known, or an endowment policy in English. Now, don't let the fancy German word throw you off. This type of life insurance can be your ally in the home buying journey. So, what's the deal with this policy? Well, it's a bit of a two-in-one special. You get life insurance coverage combined with a savings component. Here's how it works. When you take out a Kapitallebensversicherung, you pay regular premiums, which much just like in a term policy. The kicker, in addition to the death benefit that gets paid out to your beneficiaries if you pass away, this policy also builds cash value over time. Think of it as a financial security blanket that not only provides protection, but also works as an investment for your future. Now, that's a win-win. So, why should you consider endowment policy when you're looking to buy a home? Well, owning property comes with its own sets of financial responsibilities. The last thing you want is for your loved ones to struggle with mortgage payments if something unforeseen happens, right? By purchasing this policy, you're not just providing them with a safety net, you're providing them with a lifeline. Should the worst occur, they won't have to scramble to pay the mortgage or sacrifice the home you've worked hard to secure. And if you're thinking long-term, it only gets better. The cash value that accumulates can be accessed later in life. Imagine having a sizable amount of money available when you need it for renovations, emergencies, or even that dream home vacation you've been thinking about. Who wouldn't want to have that kind of flexibility in their financial toolkit? With an endowment policy, it feels like you're preparing for rainy days on more than just one front. You're ensuring your family's stability and building a little nest egg for yourself later. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, cost. Some people hesitate to opt for this policy because they think it might break bank. While it is true that these kind of policies can be pricier than straightforward term insurance, considering the benefits they offer makes them worth a closer look. You're not just shelling out money, you're making an investment, not just for your life, but for your family's future as well. In a country like Germany, where the real estate market could be a roller coaster ride, having a safety net in place offers significant peace of mind. An endowment policy could be a perfect solution to ensure that your hard-earned investment in your home remains protected, no matter what. So when you're calculating your budget for that mortgage, don't forget to pencil in life insurance. Not just any life insurance, but the one that combines coverage and savings. It's a kind of foresight that keeps the financial landscape stable in both short and long term. Now, before you make any insurance decisions, I highly recommend consulting with a professional to ensure that you pick the policy that suits your needs. Remember, this isn't just about securing property. It's much more than that. It's about safeguarding your family's future while you create lasting memories in your new home. And who wouldn't want to be the responsible adult who's thinking ahead? So let's get that decision rolling, shall we? Buying a home is one of the most significant financial decisions you'll ever make. It's a leap into both a new lifestyle and a hefty investment. But as anyone who's been involved in the housing market knows, it's not just about finding the perfect kitchen or the cozy backyard. There's more serious sides to consider. Financial security for your family. And that's where life insurance steps onto the stage like a hero in a cape. Okay, maybe not an actual cape, but you're getting the picture. Imagine this, you found that lovely 2-bedroom place in the heart of Berlin or a serene cottage in Bavaria. You can already picture family gatherings, weekend barbecues, and nights curled up with your favorite book. But along with those picturesque dreams, there's a hidden reality lurking behind the scenes. What happens if something were to happen to you? Your beloved home could turn from a cozy haven to a financial burden for your loved ones overnight. This is the part where life insurance acts like a financial safety net for your family. For those of you who might say, I'm young and healthy, I don't need life insurance, let me remind you out of own experience that unforeseen events don't come with a calendar. Life insurance isn't just about age or health. It's about planning for the protection of your investment. It's about safeguarding the future of your family. You wouldn't jump into a swimming pool without checking the depth, would you? Likewise, you shouldn't rush into home buying without considering the kind of safety net you might need. Now, I'm not forcing, I'm not pushing to get a life insurance. I'm just saying consider it and actively decide for or against it. If you need specialized advice on this, just hit us up. Just comment in the comment section below or hit us a direct message or call us. Just go to gehöringermany.de or financeforexpats.de. Contact us and we'll call you back. Having said this, have a lovely day.